I had one question before I even looked at Veeso AI. Can an AI editor actually understand what makes a video interesting? Or is it just cutting clips together really fast? Because those are two completely different things. Saving time is great, but if the final video loses all its personality, what's the point? So instead of paying attention to the marketing, I kept asking myself something much simpler. Would I actually trust this tool with one of my own videos? Here's what I realized. The biggest time killer in editing isn't always the creative part. It's all the repetitive stuff. Cutting out pauses, trimming mistakes, finding silent moments, removing all those little things nobody notices when they're done right, but everyone notices when they're left in. If AI can handle that boring work, that's already a pretty big win. What I wasn't expecting was how differently I looked at the edit afterward. The AI gave me something I could react to instead of an empty timeline. And honestly, that's where I think tools like Veeso AI are most useful. They don't finish the job for you. They help you get past the part that usually makes people procrastinate. Now, does that mean I'd upload the AI edit without watching it? Not a chance. There were still moments where I'd change the pacing, move a cut, leave a pause because it felt more natural, or remove something the AI decided to keep. That's the part I don't think AI understands yet. Good editing isn't only about speed. Sometimes the perfect edit is the one that doesn't cut every silence because those little pauses make people sound human. So here's the question I'd ask before paying for Veeso AI. Are you spending most of your editing time making creative decisions, or are you spending it doing repetitive cleanup? Because if it's the second one, I can absolutely see why this tool exists. If you're a YouTuber, freelancer, agency, or someone publishing videos every week, getting a rough edit in minutes instead of starting from zero could save you hours over the course of a month. For me, that's the biggest takeaway. I don't think Veeso AI edits better than a skilled human editor. I think it edits the boring parts faster, which gives you more time to focus on storytelling, pacing, and making the video feel like your own. And honestly, that's probably a better goal anyway. If AI could permanently remove one editing task from your workflow, what would you choose first? Cutting silences, captions, B-roll, color correction, or something else? Let me know in the comments because I think everyone's answer is going to be different.